Hi everyone, I hope you all doing great. Welcome back to my channel. I am Himangi. This video is gonna be all about how you can style a small bedroom without compromising on style and comfort. In this video we are gonna look at on how you can create an aesthetic bedside table from an old side table, and second on how you can create some simple DIYs for wall. So basically we are going to upcycle old things which we have already at home. This is the before footage of the room. In terms of wall decor, we have two walls to work upon. First DIY is the upcycling of the bedside table which we already have. These bedside tables are 30 years old, though they are not in good condition, but I will try to make them as good as new. First step to upcycle any old furniture is to sand it. Second step is painting, and third is sealing it with a varnish. My next step is to use webbed cane sheet, which is very much in these days. I took the measurement and stapled it with wood stapler. Chop off the extra with the help of scissor and seal it with the tape. Now to cover this top part, I used some ceramic tiles. Before pasting the tiles, always make a rough layout on how you want to place your tiles. Now after that I pasted them with the help of Fevicol. I painted the edges with the same paint. Also I used leg covers so that they don't make sound while shifting. There are total 3 DIYs for wall, so let's start with the first one. First DIY is the upcycle of an old wall art which I made in my previous room makeover. Do check out if you haven't already. I will be using two colors to paint it. First color is the same brown color with which I painted the side tables, and second is white, and it will look something like this, peachish, or you can say light terracotta in color. Now I will leave this to dry. I found these prints on internet and took printout on glossy sheets. I pasted them on sides with the help of Fevicol glue. And for center part I used same webbed cane sheet and stapled it with the help of wood stapler. Second DIY for wall is this cane topiary. I painted it with same brown color and then pasted these cane sheet in semicircle shape with the help of glue gun. Third DIY for wall is this lampshade. Take any cardboard, cut it into the shape you want your lamp to look like. Make a hole with the help of a knife. This hole will be used to hang this on wall. I am making 2 of these lamps. Making hole this way will ensure that they are on same height. Now I roughly measured the cane to be used on this lamp. Now stick these cane sheets with the help of double-sided tape or wood stapler. Since this wall doesn't have any electric fitting, I will be using battery operated light for these lamps. Now the third and the most important part is styling. I chose earthy tone for this makeover so that you can style it in different ways. For wall decor, try using same color family. I added sheer curtains to the existing curtains. For small room, keep your curtains 1 to 2 shade lighter or same shade as of your wall color. White, off-white and cream looks great in small room. Avoid any patterns and use solid color only. Though you can add some texture. Like in these curtains, some thread work is going on. Since this room doesn't have any balcony, so I have used some artificial and real plants. It is like bringing bit of outdoors inside. So all the elements that I really wanted in the guest bedroom is ready. So it's time to put them together and see how it looks.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not.
I have kept the color palette very earthy and neutral because it's a guest bedroom, different people will come and stay over. So I didn't want anything to be very overpowering in terms of color. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked the video. If you do so, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.